Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix mouse sensitivity changes automatically Windows. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Mouse Settings. Click Pointer Options. Uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision, click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Copy text from description and paste it. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices. Right-click your mouse, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.